Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change the language of the editor in Unreal Engine. This is actually quite simple, and even if you don't understand the language, just click where I click and you will get the solution. First I open Unreal Engine and here I am already in my project. Now I go to Edit and Editor Preferences. Here we stay in the General tab and can find Region and Language. The standard for the Unreal Engine editor is English, but I can also switch it to French, Italian, Japanese, or in this case German. The change happens immediately and does not require a restart. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.